Words, perfect for voiceover. When Germany unveiled the KF51 Panther, it wasn't just another tank reveal, it was a statement. A message to the world that the future of main battle tanks is evolving, and that Europe intends to stay at the forefront of armored warfare. Developed by Rheinmetall, the KF51 Panther represents a bold leap beyond traditional tank design, combining heavy firepower, digital warfare, and autonomous capabilities into a single next-generation platform. At first glance, the Panther looks familiar, yet unmistakably modern. Its low, angular profile, modular armor blocks, and advanced sensors immediately separate it from legacy tanks like the Leopard 2. But what truly defines the KF51 Panther lies beneath its armor, its philosophy. This tank isn't just built to fight on today's battlefield, it's designed to survive and dominate tomorrow's. One of the most talked about features of the KF51 Panther is its main gun. Rheinmetall equipped the tank with a 130mm future gun system, a significant upgrade over the standard 120mm cannons used by most NATO tanks today. This larger caliber delivers substantially higher muzzle energy, allowing the Panther to defeat advanced composite and reactive armor at longer ranges. In simple terms, it hits harder, farther, and with greater lethality than current main battle tanks. The 130mm gun isn't just about raw power. It's paired with an advanced autoloader that reduces crew workload and increases the rate of fire. This also allows the tank to operate with a reduced crew size, typically 3 instead of 4, freeing up internal space for additional electronics, ammunition, or future upgrades. In high-intensity combat, faster engagement times can be the difference between survival and destruction. Ammunition for the Panther is equally advanced. Rheinmetall has designed next-generation kinetic energy penetrators and programmable multi-purpose rounds that can be adapted in real time. Whether engaging heavily armored tanks, fortified positions, or enemy infantry, the KF51 can switch roles seamlessly, making it extremely versatile on the battlefield. Protection is another area where the Panther shines. Rather than relying solely on thick passive armor, the KF51 uses a layered defense approach. Modular composite armor allows damaged sections to be replaced quickly, reducing downtime during combat operations. More importantly, the tank integrates an active protection system capable of detecting and intercepting incoming anti-tank missiles and rockets before they hit the vehicle. This active protection system acts as an invisible shield, constantly scanning the environment for threats. When a missile is detected, the system responds in milliseconds, neutralizing the threat before impact. In modern warfare, where top attack missiles and loitering munitions are increasingly common, this capability dramatically improves crew survivability. Situational awareness is where the KF51 Panther truly feels futuristic. The tank is equipped with a fully digital architecture, featuring 360-degree sensors, high-resolution cameras, and thermal imaging systems. All this data is fused and displayed to the crew in real time, giving them unparalleled awareness of the battlefield. Instead of peering through narrow periscopes, the crew operates within a digital combat environment that feels closer to a fighter jet cockpit than a traditional tank interior. This digital backbone also enables advanced networking capabilities. The Panther is designed to operate as part of a larger battlefield ecosystem, sharing data with other tanks, infantry units, drones, and command centers. Targets spotted by a drone can be instantly relayed to the tank, while the Panther itself can designate targets for artillery or air support. This level of integration turns the tank into a node within a combat network, rather than a standalone weapon. Mobility remains a core strength of German tank design, and the KF51 Panther continues that tradition. Powered by a high-performance engine producing around 1,500 horsepower, the tank maintains an excellent power-to-weight ratio despite its heavy armor. This allows it to maneuver rapidly across varied terrain, from urban environments to open plains and rugged landscapes. Advanced suspension systems improve stability while firing on the move, ensuring accuracy even at high speeds. This mobility is crucial in modern armored warfare, where tanks must constantly reposition to avoid detection by drones and precision-guided weapons. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the KF51 Panther is its ability to integrate unmanned systems. The tank is designed to deploy and control drones directly from the vehicle. These drones can perform reconnaissance, identify enemy positions, or even engage targets. By extending the crew's vision beyond line of sight, the Panther gains a tactical advantage before the first shot is fired. Rheinmetall has also hinted at future options for unmanned or optionally manned operation. While the KF51 currently operates with a crew, its architecture supports increasing levels of autonomy. In the future, Panther variants could potentially operate remotely or alongside robotic ground vehicles, reducing risk to human operators. Secondary armament on the Panther is equally impressive. In addition to the main gun, the tank features a coaxial machine gun and a remote weapon station mounted on the turret. This remote system can engage infantry, drones, and light vehicles without exposing the crew, further enhancing survivability in urban and asymmetric combat scenarios. The KF51 Panther also reflects lessons learned from recent conflicts. Modern battlefields are saturated with drones, precision weapons, and electronic warfare. To counter this, the Panther includes electronic countermeasures and cyber-resilient systems designed to operate even in contested electromagnetic environments. This ensures the tank remains functional even when GPS signals are jammed or communications are disrupted. While the KF51 Panther is currently a demonstrator rather than a mass-produced tank, its impact is already being felt. It represents a potential alternative or successor to existing European main battle tanks and could influence future NATO armored doctrine. Countries looking to modernize their armored forces are watching closely, as the Panther offers a glimpse into what next-generation tanks might become. Strategically, the KF51 Panther sends a clear signal. At a time when armored warfare is being questioned due to the rise of anti-tank weapons, Rheinmetall is arguing that tanks are not obsolete, they're evolving. By combining heavy firepower, advanced protection, and digital integration, the Panther proves that tanks can still dominate when adapted to modern threats. In many ways, the KF51 Panther bridges the gap between traditional armored warfare and the future of combat. It retains the core strengths of a main battle tank, firepower, protection, and mobility, while embracing technologies that redefine how those strengths are applied. It's not just a tank designed to fight enemy armor, but a platform designed to control the battlefield. As development continues, the KF51 Panther may still evolve, incorporating new weapons, sensors, and autonomous systems. But even in its current form, it stands as one of the most ambitious armored vehicles ever developed. Whether it becomes widely adopted or simply shapes future designs, its influence on the future of armored warfare is undeniable. In the end, the KF51 Panther isn't just Germany's vision of a next-generation tank, it's a challenge to the world's armored forces. Adapt, innovate, or fall behind. On the battlefields of tomorrow, the Panther is already waiting.